Hello everyone, this is NAI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this clipping mask in Affinity Photo. First of all, what is a clipping mask? A clipping mask is when the visibility of one particular layer is limited by one shape or object, and the rest of the layer is hidden or masked, therefore it is called a clipping mask. Alright, so to get started we create a new document. And then we bring in the woman's layer, so we go to File, Place. And then we bring her into the composition. And then we're going to draw the heart, so we take the heart tool. And then I will go ahead and create a heart. I will set its fill to none, its stroke to red, and its stroke width to 2 points. And then with the move tool, I will position it so that it matches the woman's face. And then we can adjust it a bit. I will decrease the spread to around 14%. And also I will make it a bit less wide. So here from the midpoint on the right extremity, I will scale it down while holding Ctrl. And also I will scale it up a bit while holding Ctrl and Shift from the corner. And then once we are satisfied with the heart shape, we take the woman's layer and we drag it into the heart. And this creates a clipping mask. So all the remaining part of the woman's layer is hidden. And then if we want, we can continue to adjust the woman's layer to position it as we want it. And of course, this clipping mask also works with all the other shapes that are available in Affinity Photo. So then you can go and experiment with your own pictures. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a clipping mask in Affinity Photo. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Photo tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time, bye!